How to clear cache in AliExpress app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear AliExpress app cache. To do so, open your AliExpress application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and in this page, here tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you tap on settings, now in this page, here you'll be able to locate clear cache option. Simply tap on this option and soon after doing that, your cache will be cleared. So by following the steps, you should be able to clear cache in AliExpress app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.